Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to start class 10th math. Since up to 3 chapter has been come in your unit 1 and from chapter 4 onwards will come in your annual examination as well as unit. So chapter 4 today I am going to start. Listen attentively. The chapter name is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation standard form, you know that the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Quadratic equation means the polynomial which having 2 degree. Equation having 2 degree, that is the quadratic equation. You can see here ax square plus bx plus c, that is the standard form of quadratic equation. In this chapter we will study about the exercise 4.1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. The question is exercise 4.1. We have to check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. The question first is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3. Since we have to check that it is quadratic or not, so that's why we need to solve it, simplify. How much it is simplified, that much we should done. See, the whole square of x plus 1 will be x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to, open the bracket, 2x minus 6. Now, x square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. And again simplify, x square is only 1. No pair of this x square, so we will write x square only, and minus 2x is also at one place, and plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to plus 9. See, x square minus 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. That is the, yes it is quadratic equation. Okay, students. Likewise, other questions also you can solve. I think one more question should be done, and the last part of this question is 8 x square 8 part. X cube minus 4x cube is equal plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. See here cubes are given. By simplification we get x cube minus 4x cube plus 1 is equal to whole cube, x cube minus 2 cube 8 minus 3 into AB means x into 2 in bracket x minus 2. Now simplify, x cube minus 4x cube plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 8 minus 3 to just 6x x minus 2. Now again you can cut this x cube to x cube, and minus 4x square plus 1 minus 8 minus 6x into x is equal to minus 6x square, and minus 6x into minus 2 minus plus 12x. Okay, plus 1 is equal to here minus 8. Okay, students. Now transpose the left side. Minus 4x square plus 1 plus 8 plus 6x square minus 12x is equal to 0. Now, see, plus 6x square minus 4x square, it will be 2x square minus 12x and plus 9 is equal to 0. Since it is quadratic form, 2 degree equations is there. That's why, yes, it is quadratic polynomial. Yes, it is quadratic equation. Okay. First of all, by seeing this equation, the cube form is given here, and primarily we see that it is cubic equation, but after solution we get that it is not cubic. After simplification it comes only quadratic equation. That's why do not assume only, do not guess only and write it is not, because it is cube is given. आप जानते हैं कि ये क्यूब दिया है, दिख रहा है कि क्यूब है, लेकिन ये क्वाड्रेटिक है, तो आप अंदाज लगा करके इसको क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल क्वाड्रेटिक नहीं है लिख देंगे तो गलत हो जाएगा. आपने देखा सॉल्यूशन के बाद कि क्यूब जो है कैंसिल हो जा रहा है और क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म में ये फॉर्म हो जा रहा है. इसलिए जरूरी है कि उसको सिंप्लीफाई करिए फाइनली, और उसके बाद आपको सही पता चलेगा कि ये क्वाड्रेटिक है कि नहीं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, I think the remaining part will be done by you easily. The second question is there. Now second question I am going to do here. Question number second. Listen question. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. We have to represent only. No need to solution according to question. So you will represent only quadratic equation. The situation is there. Area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot in meter is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. That's why we should let x and y be the length and breadth of the rectangular plot. Let x and y be the length and breadth of rectangular plot. Okay. According to first condition, we get see, here is written area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Area of rectangle, you know that length into breadth, the length is x and breadth is y. That's why area will be x into y is equal to 528 meter square. But condition is given here, the length of the plot is 1 more than the twice its breadth. Since quadratic, sorry friends, I have written here quadratic equation. Listen, I am going to start question number 2. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. The area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Since it is quadratic equation, so no need to write x and y, length and breadth, because it will be not one variable, two variable. That's why you should mind it that since it is quadratic equation, so here must be only one variable. We should let the length only and breadth will be find according to question. देखिए लेंथ में दिया है कि एरिया, हम लेंथ को केवल x मान लिया जाए, जो छोटा होता है उसी को लेट करते हैं, तो आप ब्रेथ को मान लीजिए, सबसे अच्छा रहेगा. ब्रेथ छोटा है तो आप लिखेंगे इसमें लेट x be the breadth of rectangular plot. Rectangular plot. Okay. Then length is equal to, the condition is given here for the length is 1 more than the twice of breadth is equal to twice of breadth will be 2x and 1 more will be 2x plus 1. Hence it is length and x is breadth. The area is equal to given 528 meter square. That's why length 2x plus 1 into x is equal to 528 meter square. Okay, now solve it. 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. It is quadratic equation, and we have to find out only represent. The question is to find in the form of quadratic equation. That is your answer. It is represented in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, students. First part of question number 2 has been done. Very easy to do. And second, third, fourth is given also. I think I should do the fourth part also. मैं इसका फोर्थ पार्ट भी करना उचित समझता हूं, और बाकी 2 पार्ट्स आप कर लेंगे. सुनिए. A train travels distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. ध्यान दीजिए. The train travels. आपको क्वाड्रेटिक बनाना है तो आपको एक ही वेरिएबल लेना है. लिखा है ट्रेन का डिस्टेंस 480 किलोमीटर यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड कवर करती है. तो फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन. टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन वी शुड लेट x बी द स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन. लेट x बी द स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन. Distance, the distance 480 kilometer. Distance is equal to 480 kilometer. Okay. If the speed had been 8 kilometer less, then time will be how much? See the time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. The distance is 480, speed is x, then 480 by x hours, total time taken. But condition is given here, if the speed be 8 km per hour less, then it would take in 3 hours. According to question we get speed 480 by x minus speed I am going to less 8 kilometer less, then time will be this time will be how much than the further time. The initial time is 480 by x. When the speed decreases 8 kilometer per hour, then it takes 3 hours more, so we should add 3. When speed becomes less, then the time, this hours plus 3 hours will be equal. And solve it. 480 by x minus 80 is equal to LCM x 480 plus 3x. Okay, friends. Now, see the remaining part of this question. Fourth part. Question number 2, fourth part. See, this is 480 upon 8x minus 8. So 8 kilometer less speed is there, and when 8 kilometer less speed is there, then the original time plus 3 hours more will be taken. 3 घंटे और लगेगा. देखिए ये 480 by x टोटल टाइम टेकन है. जब स्पीड 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर कम हो जाएगी, 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर कम हो जा रही है, तो उसकी स्पीड x माइनस 8 होगा, तब टाइम जो है 3 आवर्स मोर हो जा रहा है. प्लस कर दिया तो इसको सिंप्लीफिकेशन के लिए आप देख रहे हैं, एलसीएम लिया, क्रॉस किया, उसके बाद ये सिंप्लीफाई आप देख रहे हैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से, और ये सॉल्यूशन यहाँ 3 यहाँ कॉमन मिल रहा है ओवरऑल, तो 3 से कॉमन लेकर के कटा दिया और ये आपका आंसर आ गया। ओके स्टूडेंट्स।